Hello, welcome to a short tutorial on how to choose grade 9 elective courses. Once again, just a reminder, grade 9s coming in only choose electives. They don't choose core courses. Everyone takes the same core courses, so you're put into classes for those. First of all, you'll need to log into your Powerschool account, and if you don't have that, you're going to get your information from your home school, either GS Lakey or Senator Joyce Fairbairn. Once you've logged into Powerschool, you'll see a screen that looks very much like the one I'm showing you right now. This is for a fake student we've made, but you'll see a screen that looks very, very similar. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Course Requests. Once you click on Course Requests, you're going to see some information on the screen here. First of all, right at the top, you're going to see some information about the courses you're going to choose. Then you'll see different categories of courses to choose, and we'll talk about those in a minute. And at the very bottom, some interesting things. It says requires 4 credit hours. Well, it actually requires 4 courses you have to choose, but you have to choose more than that, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. The electives are broken into 3 categories. You've got music courses, which you can only take one of if you're going to take one. You don't have to. Foods and construction, again, we ask that people only pick one of those 2. In fact, you're only able to pick one of those 2. Those are for 2 very different reasons. The music courses, band and choir, you can only take one of because they're at the same time. Foods and construction, we ask that people only pick one. Just that's our most popular, some of our most popular electives, and we want to make sure there's space that people get at least a chance to take one of them. It doesn't prevent you from taking the other one when you go into grade 10, but if you want one of those, we're going to ask you to choose only one of them. And then the rest of the grade 9 electives are in the grade 9 elective categories. You don't have to choose things from music or foods, but if you are, you're going to choose them in those places. You do have to choose them from electives, and we'll get there in a minute. The alternate electives is the last category, and you're going to go in there and you're going to choose 6 courses other than the ones you've chosen before, and those are going to be the courses we use in case we can't get you into one of your first 4. Some other things you look at on the screen in the top right here, you've got some pencils, and those are what you're going to click on to choose your courses. And then you're going to see either a check mark or an exclamation mark. The check mark means you either don't have to choose something or you already have chosen everything you can. The exclamation mark means you have to choose some things there. So we're going to go through. So let's say I decide I want to take a music course. I'm going to click on this. And the courses you can choose come up. Nice thing is there's always a course description there. As I said before, at the music courses, if I choose either band or choir, it actually takes up 2 of my course choices. So I'm only going to choose 2 more after that. But in this case, I'm going to decide I don't really want to choose either one, and I don't have to, so I can just hit cancel. But let's say I do want to choose either foods or construction. I'm going to go in there. And you notice again, course description, only worth 1 course. Again, I'm going to choose foods, I think, in this case. I hit OK. So here, if I look at the bottom of my screen, it says I've already chosen 1 of my 4. So now I have to choose 3 more, which I'm going to choose in the grade 9 electives. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to choose 3 other courses. Really important in this screen, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll notice that there's actually 2 screens you can look at. So don't forget all of those courses in the second screen. You want to look at those. So I've already chosen foods. Let's say I'd also like to take computers. So there's my second choice. Let's say I want to take forensic science. Looks like a good one to take. And I'm going to go to my second screen here because I really, really, really want to take soccer. Big soccer fan. So I'm going to choose those. So now it shows that I've taken those 3 courses there. I've got a check mark. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I said, oh, I'm done. I've chosen my 4. If I try to exit out now, it won't let me. Oh, I have to choose my alternate still. It's not going to let you out until you take 6 alternates. So I'm going to go into my alternate electives here, and I'm going to choose 6 here. And you'll notice that band and choir and foods and construction are all in here. So all of the courses are in here. So I'm just going to choose 6 different ones that I haven't chosen before. So I don't choose art, so that would be one that I want to take. Let's say maybe if I can't get into something else, I want to take choir. So there's 2. There's 3 screens here to look at, so make sure you look at them all. I want to take leadership. I want to take modern languages. I have selected 4 out of 6 courses, so I got to choose 2 more. Let's say I would like to take, I've already chosen soccer, I don't want to take that, so let's say sports, performance, and yoga. So I've chosen my 6 courses, and I'm going to hit OK. So now I'm going to double check, make sure that my first 4 are here, My other 6 are there. Looks good. I've got all of my requirements met. Now I hit submit, and it will show me which courses that I've taken as my first 4, and then my second 6 for my alternates. Just a reminder, if you choose choral or band, you'll only see 3 here. And that's as simple as it is. Thank you.